into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a you're bleeding. This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong, would it be right? It was on my life tonight. Chances are that I might. Mutilation out of sight. And I'm contemplating suicide.